comes up on cobblestone, the city starts to wake. And I am sweeping stable floors until my shoulders ache. The knights are in their silken steel, so mighty and so grand, while I am just the laundry boy with splinters in my hand. They call me clumsy, call me green, they laugh and call me small. A boy who trips on his own boots won't ever guard the wall. With a bucket and a broom and a rag to wipe the floor, you'd never think a lad like me would face the bedroom door. Let the captains drink their ale, let the highborn knights go sleep. It's the squire of the city, watch who has a floor to keep. Hey ho, bang the pot, he's the bravest boy they've got. The midnight bell was striking 12, the moon was hid in cloud. The captain in the guardhouse was a snoring deep and loud. I went to fetch some firewood to keep the hot fire bright, when shadows crossed the granary, a dark and sneaky sight. A dozen thieves with wicked knives to steal the winter grain, while every night was fast asleep, unbothered by the rain. No sword had I, no iron shield, no helmet on my head, but I'm a master of the kitchen where the boys are fed. I grabbed a heavy iron skillet, swung it with a yell, and cracked the chieftain on the crown, and down the villain fell. I shoved my broom between their legs, I tripped them in a row, with clattering pots and flying pans. I dealt a mighty blow. The morning came, the captain woke and rubbed his blurry eyes to find a dozen bound-up thieves, to everyone's surprise. The knights all stared in silence at the skillet in my hand, the greatest, strangest victory in all the waking land. The captain smiled and shook his head and tossed away my broom, and handed me a proper blade inside the barracks room. With a bucket and a broom and a rag to wipe the floor, you'd never think a lad like me would face the bedroom door. Let the captains drink their ale, let the highborn knights go sleep. It's the squire of the city, watch who has a floor to keep. Hey ho, bang the pot, now a sword is what he's got. No more stables, no more soot, watch your coin and watch your foot. From a kitchen lad so small,